The Florence Nightingale Pledge. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious or mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drugs. I will do all in my power to maintain or and elevate the standard of profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. How did this Nightingale pledge affect you when it comes to your calling as a nurse in the making? The Nightingale pledge had a wonderful effect on me by advising and making me understand what the word nurse or being a nurse really mean, and warn me from doing bad things that might affect my work.